So I've just nicked Mel's camera because mine's just died.
And I've got 2 more batteries.
Yeah.
Just in case.
We've had a nap because we're at the Overland show. We haven't filmed much because we literally haven't had time.
And had 5 minutes for ourselves.
So,
but that's okay, don't mind.
We're fine. We've been seeing loads of different people. We've had our lunch at 4 o'clock. It's now, what is it? 20 past 6 p.m. We're going to head towards the trade stand, have a little mooch, maybe say hello to a few people. Yeah, we feel rejuvenated after having a little nap, and now we're going to ready ourselves and get out there and see what we can explore.
I'm going to grab my backpack, put the cameras in the backpack.
Okay. So yeah, that's the first time we've been able to film. So we're going to take you with us and hopefully show you some vans and some stuff that's on the trade stands. Since we've been here already, Mel has added to the sticker wall. Let me show you. So we are growing all the time with our stickers. Love that.
Love it. Let's go.
Let's go. We're hiding down there, nice and quiet, apart from when people play loud music at night, which we're not a fan of. There's the Virgo himself there. Little Monty's joining us too. And it's a beautiful sunset, so it's going to be a good evening. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I thought I'd come over and say hey because I heard you were here.
Yeah. Hello.
You say hi. Hello. Is Mary doing alright?
Yeah, she's in here.
Is she?
Chilling out. Yeah, I think she's still. Did you move? You moved?
Yeah, we moved too.